So now let's see how we can utilize the Luma Fade Transition Effect by using the guided edit mode. So over here I am in the expert mode, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around under guided. And over here under the video adjustment, you can see that Luma Fade Transition Effect is an option. So it says use a photo as a part of a gradient wipe transition to create a cool transition effect right here. So now over here it says use a photo as a part of the gradient wipe. So I'm just going to click on next to get started. And over here it says add media and choose 2 video clips right here. So let's just go around over here and choose 2 video clips. So I already have one imported out, so I'm just going to go around and open up another one right here. So now it says you've added and stored this, so I'm just going to go around and drag in this particular video clip right here, just like this. And now it says add media and choose another clip right here. So let's just go around over here and add in another video clip right here, and it is going to be this one right here, just like this. Or yeah, this is it. So I'm just going to go around and open it out right here, and then it says drag and drop it next to the first clip on the timeline on the playhead position, so right around over here, just like this. So now click on the highlighted icon right here. It says on the freeze frame, so I'm just going to go around and click on freeze frame right here and click on export right here, just like this. And I'm just going to go around and export out this image over here. So it says click on next on the transition button right here, just like this, and it says gradient wipe right here. So I'm just going to go around and drag in the gradient wipe around over here, just like this. And over here on the select image, I need to go around and select this particular image right here. You can go around and change around the softness right here and press OK. So once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and change around the duration right here according to how you want and press apply, and this is the effect that you have right here. So you need to go around and render this out for a smoother playback right here, because this takes a bit of processing power, so as it recommends it over here as well. So it's rendering the video clip, as you can see right here. So it's rendering some frames, and it does take a bit of time, which is normal as well, because it does take a bit of processing power. So you can see that it's almost done right here. So around a bit of time remaining right here. So I'm just going to go around and skip to the part when this has completed. And now the rendering has complete, and it says click the play button to see the results. So if I were to go around and press the play button right here, then this is the transition effect that you have right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the Luma Fade Transition Effect by using the guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.